Welcome to the 14th day of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Fair warning, this video contains a solution to the challenge for today, so please attempt the problem before continuing on. Reference this video if you get stuck or want to see an alternative way to tackle the problem. And with that said, on to the day 14 challenge. Let's go ahead and load today's challenge up. We see that it is a medium difficulty question worth 10 points. In today's challenge, we're going to be doing more analysis on wines. We're set to answer 3 particular questions, of which I will copy and paste into the area below and set them as comments for reference. Additionally, to answer the bottom 2 questions, we'll have to filter based on these 2 additional criteria. Let's go ahead and paste those down below too as well. So to answer the first question, where is Stellenbosch and how many wines are there in the entire data set? We'll take the data frame and we'll filter it by the region, and we'll check to see if it's equal to Stellenbosch, and then we'll go ahead and run this. Using the info function, we can see that there are a total of 35 entries from this region. That satisfies question number 1. Scrolling down, we can verify that 35 is indeed a selection. Next, let's filter out the data frame using the 2 conditions that were provided to us earlier. We'll take the data frame and we'll filter it by sulfates, and we'll make sure that it is less than or equal to 0.6. Additionally, we'll check to see if the price is less than $20. Let's go ahead and run this to see what the table looks like. It looks like our filtering worked, where all the results show pricing under $20 and the sulfates are less than 0.6. Let's go ahead and answer the next 2 questions. What is the average price of wine from the Bordeaux region? We'll take the filtered data frame and we'll filter out results using the region column and checking to see if it's equal to Bordeaux. We'll want to look at the price field and then run the mean function against it. See that 1130 is our result. Finally, let's answer the last question. We'll use the sort values function and we'll sort it by price and run this. Taking a look at the result, we can see that there are potentially more wines than just the top 5 hits. We'll need to add a little bit more to our sorting and or do additional filtering. Let's go ahead and filter by the region and make sure the region matches our query. And then as soon as that's filtered, we'll sort it by the price. With this analysis alone, we can see that the least expensive wines are being sold for a price of $4, and the highest quality is actually the second hit wine number 1025. If we wanted to make sure that the lowest price and the highest quality always was the first result, we can do additional sorting. First, we sort by price, then we'll sort by quality, then we'll need to add in the additional parameter, ascending, set it equal to true because we want the price to go from the lowest to the highest, so ascending in value. However, we want the quality to go from the highest quality to the lowest quality, so we want it to actually be descending, so we'll set the second value equal to false. Go ahead and run this, and we can see that 1025 is now moved to the top of the list. So I can tell you now that there is a complication in today's answer. There is no answer that fits all 3 of these results. To summarize our results, we have a total of 35 wines. We have an average price of $11.30, and our least expensive of the highest quality wine is wine number 1025. Scrolling down to our potential answers, there's no answer that fits all 3 of these criteria. However, we can select the best fit. And since this answer right here is the closest match, as in question 2 and question 3 are correct, but question 1 is incorrect, we'll go ahead and submit this first. If this doesn't work, the next most correct answer would be this one up here with 35 wines, but question 2 and question 3 are incorrect. But let's go ahead and try this. And there we have it. I hope you got some value out of this day 14 video of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. I'll be back tomorrow with another video covering the day 15 challenge. See you then.